Dramatic cinematic drone shots of frozen landscapes. This is not Antarctica. This is a village where people live, work, and raise families at temperatures colder than your freezer. Welcome to the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Segment 1. Journey begins. Show the difficulty of reaching the village. Flights, remote roads. It took me 4 days, 3 flights and a 6-hour drive through icy wilderness just to get here. Segment 2. Life in the village. Interviews with locals. How do they survive? What do they eat? Daily routines. Starting fires, using outhouses, dressing in layers. Unique facts. Ink freezes, phones die in minutes, cars run non-stop. Segment 3. Physical struggle. Show your own struggle. Skin pain, fogged goggles, cracked lips. At one point, I couldn't feel my fingers even with 4 layers. Breathing hurt. I thought I'd have to turn back. Segment 4. Amazing adaptations. Explore how kids go to school, how food is stored, etc. Highlight resilience and local culture. Ending. Reflective monologue. This place taught me that humans can survive anything, even minus 71 degrees Celsius, but it comes at a cost. Show warm moments with locals, food, laughter, fire. Would you survive a day here? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe if you want more extreme stories from around the world.